My 2015 Tahoe burns about 2 quarts of oil per fill up. With oil life at 48%, I'm down about 2 quarts.
The concern I have is that the active fuel management system, which is constantly switching the engine from 8 to 4-cylinder mode in order to save fuel, is actually the cause of my car burning oil. The pistons in the cylinders which are shut off keep moving, although they're no longer firing, and that creates a vacuum which can suck oil past the seals.
GM's active fuel management system, or AFM, is what's responsible for it switching back and forth to V8 to V4, and that may be why I'm losing oil. So, just got my AFM disabler from Amazon. I'm gonna plug this in under the dashboard after I turn off the car, and let's see if this turns off the V4 mode. All right, so there's the port for my OBD reader, and I'm just gonna plug this guy in, just like that. All right, let's start up the car. All right, we've got green lights on my AFM disabler. So I'm just driving through town, and I am driving in V8 mode. If I take my foot off the gas, it is still staying in V8 mode, so I have successfully disabled the active fuel management system, which really wasn't saving me much gas anyways, but I'm more interested to see if my oil burning stops. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy your own AFM disabler, and I will post comments as to whether or not this successfully eliminated my oil burning problem. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.